In this video, I'm just going to show you how to automate blog publishing safely. So the tool which I'm using is Arva. Now here what I'm going to do is I come inside the blog automation and click on create new campaigns. And if you want me to set up your campaign personally for free, book a call with me, I'll help you. But yeah, if I go into the configuration, and here you have three different modes right here. So one is a full automation mode, which is AI will find the keywords and it will generate content and it will automatically publish into the WordPress. You don't have to do anything. And then second one is a planned automation mode, which is we need to input the keywords, but AI will generate and publish to the WordPress. And the third one is automation with review. AI will get the keywords and AI will generate content, but we have to manually publish in the CMS, whatever the CMS which we are using. So I'm just going to put it in a full automation mode because I don't want to go into the any CMS. I want all this AI SEO agent to do all the work, and this is a workflow.